Hey guys, how's it going? Today we'll be looking at the iPhone SE. This is the recently released iPhone by Apple. Yeah, this is the smaller version of the iPhone 6s, I guess. Because as people know, iPhone has been getting bigger and bigger. So now the 6 and 6s were 4.7 inches, the display. And Apple still wanted to appeal to those consumers like me who prefer to have a smaller iPhone because it's for various reasons, like it's easier to carry, more portable, better battery life basically because the screen is smaller, so it doesn't take up as much battery life. So there's some advantages to having a smaller phone, and some of us prefer to have a smaller phone, easier to grip and everything. So I was really happy when Apple announced the iPhone SE because I've been using my 5S still because I didn't want to upgrade to the 6 due to the change in the size. And the thing is, like, because Apple has this home button right here, that actually adds to the length of the phone, right? So the 4.7 inches really is equivalent to like a 5-inch on an Android phone, because of this home button. So yeah, this is the iPhone SE. You can see the box here. I got it in gold, and yeah, everyone knows what the iPhone box looks like. It's pretty standard. Been used for every iPhone. As you can see, you have the iPhone here. It's the SE in gold, and then you have the standard Apple manual here. So the back Apple manual. Then you have the EarPods, the charger, and the cable, lightning cable. So that's pretty standard stuff. Alright, let's take a look at the phone. Now this is the 64 gigabyte iPhone SE in gold, and Apple apparently still sells the entry-level 16 gigabyte version, which I have no idea why. Because this does 4K recording, like it records in 4K video. That's one of the features. Essentially, it is a 5S body, and a 5S body with 6S specs inside of it. So yeah, it could do 4K video, but if you only have 16 gigs of storage, then you're only going to get like 2 4K videos basically. So I don't understand why Apple wouldn't just start with a 32 gigabyte iPhone and make everyone's lives a bit easier. Anyways, I have my 5S for comparison. This is my iPhone 5S, also in gold. But yeah, it looks pretty much the same. The front camera is the same. Touch IDs, everything's the same except this is Apple Pay enabled. As you can see, it looks very, very similar. Yep, no change in width or thickness there. Exactly same dimensions here. And yeah, pretty much almost exactly the same except for the back. The back is a little bit different. You see the camera, of course, this is a 6S camera, so it has 12 megapixels, and the 5S is 8 megapixels. And on the 5S, it says iPhone, just iPhone, and FCC logo here. Whereas in the SE, it says iPhone SE, no FCC logo. Pretty interesting. And the gold is a little bit different, so you can slightly different here. This is gold on i5s. This is gold on SE. So this one looks a little bit tinted, like a little bit, almost like a rose gold color. Even though Apple does have a rose gold, it's really like a pink color. But yeah, the gold looks kind of different, interesting. Then when you turn it on, I can see like this both has Touch ID, right? Then yeah, this SE is a little bit faster. Of course you expect it to be since it has a newer processor and everything, but you can see the difference here, right? Just everything is a little bit faster, a little bit smoother on the SE. If you open an app at the same time here, see the SE opens a little bit faster. I don't have any games to show you guys, but this one should be much better at gaming because of the graphical power of the GPU, of the new chip inside this phone. So yeah, that's the iPhone 5S versus the SE. This one is noticeably faster. Okay, let's see the difference in the cameras actually. Open up the camera. Okay, see how much faster that one. Let's try that again actually. See how long does it take to open the camera. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Alright, so yeah, this one a millisecond faster than the 5S. And let's have this box here, take a picture of this. Right? Yeah. This is a take picture. This is both very, very fast, which is why I like iPhone cameras, because the shutter speed is very fast. But you can see this one, 5 SE, is slightly faster at taking pictures. Also has live mode, which the 5S does not have. Also the ability to take 4K 4K videos, which the 5S does not have. Also the ability, actually, yeah, also the ability to take 12 megapixel photos instead of 8 megapixels. So the megapixel quality is a bit better. Let's look at the pictures and what they turned out like. Okay, so a little bit different here. This one looks brighter. I'm not sure if that's the display or it's the camera. Anyways, the camera should be improved on the SE. As you can see, it looks a little bit better contrast here, a little bit better. Alright, so anyways, that is the iPhone SE. Looks exactly the same as the 5S, but the internals are better. Better processor, better camera. Some additional features like live photos and everything are in here, as well as Apple Pay. So if you guys are looking for a small smartphone, this is pretty much the way to go, because with the other Android manufacturers, except for Sony Xperia, Sony has been doing a pretty good job. But for like Samsung and LG, HTC, whenever they release a smaller phone, they generally have terrible or just worse specs than the flagship. But Apple has released a small phone with the same specs as its flagship, and it's cheaper too. So I highly recommend, if you guys want a good value, if you guys want a good small phone to take with, very easy to grip, right? I really like the form factor of the 5S, very easy to grip, very easy to fit in your pocket. Then the SE is a really good choice. So that's it. That's the iPhone SE. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please comment with any questions. That's it. Oh yeah, so it's 500 bucks and yeah, 500 bucks for the 64 gigabyte version. So yeah, it's still a bit cheaper than the 6S flagship. So that's it. The 5S versus the iPhone SE.